Hi, I will be taking you Microsoft Excel, and I will take you from the beginning and how you can use Microsoft Excel to do your work in calculation or for accounting package and also for the statistical work. I will first of all I want to start from opening the Microsoft Word. This is my desktop here. So I want to open Microsoft Excel. There are so many ways you can use to just open your Microsoft Excel. One of it is just going to your start menu on the taskbar and click on it, search for the Microsoft Excel. If it's in the let me just move, let's look for the Microsoft Excel folder. Then this is it, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Office. Well, you start for the Microsoft Office and click on that or the draw that arrow, so that you will see all the application that was inside the folder. Now I will like to just click on that of the Excel because I'm taking Excel, Microsoft Excel 2013. Then immediately I click on it, it will open up its package. And once this thing is being opened, what I have to do is I have to just click on the one I want to just work on. Actually, look at it. There are so many icon or the folder that the menu I can pick depending on what you want to use the Microsoft Excel for. So there are some templates on this place whereby you can just click one and start your work. This is a blank sheet, and here is the billing statement. We have here this blood pressure tracker, this expense report, and loan amortization. This personal monthly budget, and here is sales report, and the last one which is written there is called a time card. You can use it for so many things, even statistic, and you can use it to just do calculation in accounting. So it is good. And this package, I will take you everything how to use it to do some calculation. So I will pick on that of the blank worksheet. So now here is it. We are on the blank worksheet of Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel, this blank sheet we call everything together as what? Electronic spreadsheet. This electronic as I'm just moving my mouse on top of everything, it is known as electronic spreadsheet. Now all this place that my mouse is from here, from the left to the right. So it is known as what? The ribbon. This is known as the ribbon. So all this place is the ribbon. Even together with this, the menu bar that is written there: home, insert, page layout, formula, data, review, and view. Now here is the working space, the working space where you'll be working, and it contains of different line. We have the vertical line and we have the horizontal line. Each one meet together to form a box where we call it what? Active cell. This is your active cell whereby you'll be typing, and this is the address. This is the formula bar whereby you'll be typing your question, and you'll be typing your formula, and for the electronic to just calculate. This is the active cell. Whenever you are typing here, this is where you'll be saying it, and this is the active cell. This is he has A, B, C on the row, and on the vertical, this is the ABC here, and here is 1, 2, 3. Now I have to just close this here and start another, open it in another method. So now we have opened it through the start menu. There's another way you can still open Microsoft Excel. On your taskbar or on your desktop, there may be a icon representing that of the Microsoft Excel whereby you can click on it and open it. So this one, I have it on my taskbar here, and this is it. This is the icon representing Microsoft Excel. All I have to do is to do what? To click on it, and let me close it. It's like I didn't close the other one. So now immediately I click on it, it loaded so fast, and at the end of the day, and I will just what next for me to do is to just do what? To click on the blank sheet, and I will be on the package. So it's now time for me to be working on it. See you in the next lecture.